Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making homemade keto chocolates. Super easy, totally customizable, and perfect for the holidays or any time you want a sugar-free treat. Start by heating half a pot of water in the bottom of a double boiler. Once it reaches a boil, turn the heat down to low and add your chocolate chips onto the top. Then melt until it's completely smooth, stirring it continuously. Then fill the bottom of your chocolate molds with a thin layer of melted chocolate. Then comes the fillings. You can use chopped nuts, shredded coconut, or my favorite is freeze-dried raspberry pieces. Add a little bit of the filling into each mold. Then cover the fillings with more melted chocolate, filling each mold to the very top. Then use a spatula to flatten the bottoms. Place the molds into the freezer for about 30 minutes. Make sure they sit flat so the chocolates harden evenly. Once they're fully hardened, pop them out of the molds and clean up the edges. And look how beautiful they turned out. Shiny, detailed, and perfect little keto treats. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and let me know which filling you prefer in your chocolates. Thanks for watching.